Angles. Complementary versus supplementary. What are they? Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. Why? Helps to navigate direction. Interesting fact: jellyfish are comprised of 98% water, so when they wash ashore, they can disappear after a few hours. Before we delve into what are complementary and supplementary angles, let's refresh our minds about four angles that we've seen before. First, we have acute angles that are less than 90 degrees. Next, we have right angles that are exactly 90 degrees. Next, we have obtuse angles that are greater than 90 degrees. Last, we have straight lines that are 180 degrees. Remember, two of these angles are part of the definitions of complementary and supplementary angles. Which two do we think they are? That's right, right angles and straight lines. Now, let's take a look at the definition of complementary angles. Two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Let's draw a right angle composed of two angles. Let's say one angle is 40 degrees and the other angle is 50 degrees. When we add 40 degrees and 50 degrees, the result is 90 degrees, which is in the definition. Now, what do we think happens if the two angles are not adjacent? Do we think that any two angles can be complementary? Let's find out. Let's draw three angles. Here we have angles of 38 degrees, 52 degrees, and 42 degrees. Do we think two of these angles are complementary? If yes, which two? That's right, 38 degrees and 52 degrees. Because the sum of 38 degrees and 52 degrees is 90 degrees. So 38 degrees and 52 degrees are complementary. Now, let's make these two complementary angles adjacent. Let's place some letters on these rays. Which two angles do we think are complementary? That's right, angle BAC and angle CAD are complementary. And there we have it. Let's move on to the definition of supplementary angles. Two angles that add up to 180 degrees. Let's draw a straight line composed of two angles. Let's say one angle is 140 degrees and the other angle is 40 degrees. When we add 140 degrees and 40 degrees, the result is 180 degrees, which is in the definition. Now, what do we think happens if the two angles are not adjacent? Do we think that any two angles can be supplementary? Let's find out. Let's draw three angles. Here we have angles of 118 degrees, 62 degrees, and 72 degrees. Do we think two of these angles are supplementary? If yes, which two? That's right, 118 degrees and 62 degrees. Because the sum of 118 degrees and 62 degrees is 180 degrees. So, 118 degrees and 62 degrees are supplementary. Now, let's put these two supplementary angles closer together. Let's place letters on these rays. Let's start with the left side. Which two angles do we think are supplementary? That's right, angle ABC and angle CBD are supplementary. And they also form a linear pair because they are adjacent angles. Let's continue with the right side. We already know angle E and angle F are supplementary, but this time they do not form a linear pair because they are not adjacent angles. And there we have it. Now it is your turn, so go ahead and pause the video here so you can take your time to answer this question, and I'll show you the results in 3, 2, and 1. Did you get them correct? Fantastic. If not, there's always tomorrow.